Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ma'am, hello everyone. I'm Ilmani Wanda Yunista. I want to be presenting for midterm test speaking entitled Enhancing Senior High School Student Speaking Skill Through Role Play. Okay, first slide. Abstract. Language is crucial for daily life and global communication. English plays an essential role in education and is necessary for competing in the era of globalization. However, many Indonesian students still face difficulties in speaking due to anxiety, lack of relevant knowledge, and low motivation. This descriptive qualitative research investigates the effectiveness of using the role-play technique to enhance students' speaking skill at the senior high school. Okay, next slide. Introduction. Speaking is a key skill in English learning, but many senior high school students struggle with fluency, confidence, vocabulary, grammar, and fear of making mistakes. These issues often make them passive in class. Role-play is an effective technique to improve speaking because it gives students real-life practice, increase engagement, and reduce anxiety. Research also shows that role-play boosts participation, motivation, fluency, and vocabulary. This study examined how role-play improves students' speaking skill, particularly fluency, accuracy, and confidence, and aims to support teachers in creating more interactive and communicative learning environment. Okay, next slide. Literature review. 1. Speaking skill in the EFL context. Speaking is a complex skill requiring vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and discourse management. In Indonesia, limited exposure to English and textbook-centered learning makes students struggle with fluency, confidence, and spontaneous communication. Anxiety and fear of judgment further hinder that. Problem, performance. Therefore, teachers need to create active, meaningful, and communicative learning environment. 2. Role-play as a communicative technique. Role-play allows students to act out real-life scenarios, encouraging activity and reducing speaking anxiety. It supports spontaneous language use, collaboration, and contextual practice of vocabulary and grammar. Role-play also builds socio-pragmatic skills such as turn taking and politeness. It shifts classroom towards student-centered interactive learning. 3. Previous studies in role-play. Research consistently show that role-play improves speaking fluency, confidence, vocabulary, pronunciation, and accuracy. Studies by Arifin 2019, Febrio et al. 2020, Liu Ending 2009, and Al-Arisi 2016 highlight that role-play increase student motivation, interaction, and communication strategy use, making it highly effective for senior high school learners. Okay, next, method 1. Research design. This study used a descriptive qualitative design to examine how students improve their speaking skill through role-play. This design helped the research observation, real classroom situation, and understand student progress and response in detail. 2. Participants. The participants were 3 to 11 grade students with mixed English proficiency levels, low to moderate. Before the role-play activities, most students confidence, spoke hesitantly, and depended on memorizing sentences. 3. Instruments. Four instruments were used to collect data. First, observation checklist to monitor participation and fluency. 2. Interview to understand student feeling and opinions. 3. Speaking rubric to access vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, fluency, and interaction. And last, documentation such as photos, videos, and recording. Okay. 4. Procedure. The study include three main stages. 1. Pre-activity, 2. While activity, and 3. Post-activity. Okay. 5. Method ke 5. Okay, procedure of method. 1. Pre-activity. Student took an initial speaking test. The teacher identified common issue, hesitation, pronunciation, limited vocabulary, role play, introduce, and explain. Okay, 2. While activity in procedure. Student practice role play in group using scenario like ordering food, making complaint, job interview, asking or giving direction, daily conversation, or solving conflict. 3. Post activity. A final speaking assessment was given. Students were interviewed to gather feedback. The research reflected on the effectiveness of role play. 5. Data analysis of method using Miles and Huberman 100 no sorry 1994. First, data reduction, selecting and simplifying data. 2. Data display, organizing data into clear patterns. 3. Conclusion drawing, interpreting the result to from finding. Okay, I will provide an example from videos. Check the result. 1. Fluency. 2. After the role play, students spoke more smoothly with fewer pauses and more naturally. 3. Accuracy and vocabulary. 4. Grammar mistake decreased and students use more appropriate vocabulary because they practice in real situation. 5. Confident. 6. Students became more confident. Those who were shy start to speak up because student acting as a character made them feel safer. 7. Student perception. And the last, student said role play was fun, not boring, and helped them practice real communication. Okay, conclusion. This study show that role play is an effective way to improve students' speaking skill. It helps students become more fluent, more accurate, and more confident, and they enjoy the learning process. Teachers are encouraged to use role play regularly to make speaking class more interactive. Future studies can explore digital role play or technology based activities to support student communication practice. Okay, I'm not open question and answer session. That's all for me. I'm sorry if there's still many mistake in my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.